Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so if you haven't noticed the screen already, we have hit $1,000. Woo! Yeah! Alright, and I did this in 32 weeks. Now, that is a long time. But again, I wasn't really necessarily putting a lot of money into my account like most people do. Some people will take a check and deposit even $50 to $100 right away. Some people like to do like $5 a day. Honestly, I've only been able to do anywhere from $10 to $20 a month, and that was for the last 8 months. So literally this account has grown so much in the last 8 months, since August 15th, guys. Now, it's been an incredible journey. I've learned so much. I've learned how to trade from $2, $3 stocks such as DNR, Chesapeake Energy, Zynga, all the way up and in between to the, Nvidia, and now I could start trading Google, and there's just a lot of stocks that I could start trading now. NOC, LMT, BA, I've had a lot of good success with those companies. Netflix, the SPY, Triple M, Alibaba, Home Depot, these are all great companies that I'm able to invest in now, and I could have larger positions in them. I could have 2 or 3 of Apple and it wouldn't break the bank. It'd only be, about a third of my actual position size, whereas before I could barely even buy AMD in my first couple of weeks because it was $10. So if you haven't watched my journey yet, guys, I show you my entire journey from start to finish, and it's that simple. That simple, guys. I started with just a thought in my head that I would get to $1,000, and I did. We broke $1,000 today. I wanted to do this video, and I pushed myself so that we can get it done. I had an incredible day on the 29th, which was yesterday. Today is Friday, which is Good Friday to most people. The stock market is closed, so there's only a 4-day week, and it'll also be closed on Monday, so we'll only have a 4-day week next Monday. But what an incredible journey, guys. $0 to $1,000 challenge in 32 weeks. I'm super proud of that. I went from 0 to 100 in, I believe, 6 weeks. And again, this is all just from me self-teaching myself. And I think now what I'm going to do is kind of lean back a little bit. I might still do the weekly updates on Robinhood, and I might not. But basically what I want to do is step back a little bit from my own portfolio, and I want to start helping others reach that $1,000 goal. Now, I have a lot of free shares from just from a lot of different people, guys. I really appreciate all of you for helping me sign up with your link. There is a lot more people that can sign up with your link. So if you like that and you want to share your link on maybe the bottom of one of my videos, I'm also thinking about doing that. I'm going to start out with the first person on the list, who is Shannon G. Shannon G, if you'd like me to promote your link in my videos for, I would say, about a month, I think I'll be able to help you get probably 10 to 15 free shares in that month. Every month I'll be going down the list. I know some of you that have started later on, like Dennis S. Let me know, Luann V, when you guys want me to set up a link for you, Taylor M, and I will put that link in the description, so when people sign up using the link at the bottom, you guys will both get free shares. And I just really want to share and expand my knowledge and understanding of the Robinhood app to everybody. That's what I want to do. There's no way I could have got to, $1,000 portfolio without a little bit of knowledge and research from other people on YouTube, and reading books and researching. And I think that it takes a lot of time. Yes, it does. But if you want to be successful and you want to make about $30 every single day with $1,000 account, and then one day you have an emergency and you have to pull that $1,000 out, that's what I'm trying to set people's goals for. I want youth today and young adults and people my age, younger than me, even older than me, it doesn't matter. I want to show you guys that emergency fund is important. It could definitely help you live a less stressful life when you wake up and you see $1,000 in your account. And I'm not bragging, I just want to educate you guys and let you know that it's hard living paycheck to paycheck. It's hard waking up and only having $5 or $10 in your bank account. It's hard when your, car breaks down or you get a flat tire and now you're trying to sell stuff, loans, borrow, and all kinds of other means to just get by. And, this is why I started this journey. And I just wanted to inform people that it can be easy. You don't need to be some rich, famous person or extremely well educated or even have gone to college or even finished high school, for that fact, to do what I'm doing. It's that simple. And I didn't graduate from college. I didn't even go to college. I barely graduated high school. Yeah, I did, but just barely. I wasn't an A/B student. I was more like C's and D's maybe. So anybody can do it, guys. I mean, anybody can do it. So right now, withdrawable, guys, I have $505 withdrawable. It's so tempting to take it out and go have fun. That's half of my account. But you know what? I'm going to keep going. I'm going to build this $1,000 up to $10,000, and I'm going to go from $30 a day to 10 times that amount. That's going to be $300 a day I'll be making. And I'm hoping to do this by the end of next year. So not 2018, but the end of 2019, I should be on a good spot, on a fuck you level is what it is. And I'm sorry I said that, but that's the kind of attitude we have to have nowadays. Your boss tells you to do something and you don't like it. Fuck you, I quit. Somebody in the street tells you, oh, you got to do this and that. No, I don't. Fuck you. I don't, and walk away. People tell you anything about paying bills. Fuck you. They're paid. Fuck you. That's it, And that's the way I believe. That's my attitude, and that's where I want to get in my life. If I don't want to do it, I don't have to do it. And that's where I want to be. And that's where I want everyone else to have to be or want to be. So, guys, I really appreciate you. No day trades for this week and for the start of next week, so I'm going to start fresh with my $1,000 account. I'm going to show you a little bit of history real quick from the 26th, starting out on the 26th. I sold a lot. Sold DBX, which was Dropbox, sold AMD, sold APVO, MU, Microsoft. I sold Boeing for an incredible gain. I think it was like 30-something dollars on Boeing. It was amazing. Sold DNR. I bought into Twitter, DNR, Gain, Apple, DNR, Glad, Wendy's, Bank of America, Good, MUO. Like, I just started going off buying stuff because I knew we were going to have a long weekend. And these are really good companies to buy into anyways, so I'll be doing some videos about that. Fitbit, Land, CENX, Key, PFE, T, and AMT. So I bought all those because I did so well and got to 1,000. I'm like, I'm going to do some more. So I'm about halfway in on my position right now. And that's what was going on for the week. So all in all, we are doing okay. Guys, if you want to get involved, all you got to do is look for this little picture here, get a free stock, and sign up with someone's link. Don't sign up unless you use someone's link, guys. You're missing out on an opportunity to get a free share. Now, with that said, I wanted to show you the free share that I got. Okay? That's why I wanted to show you. Okay, I started out slow, 3s, 4s, 5s, $4, $8, $3, $11 for AMD. And then boom, November 18th, 2 months after I started, I got a free share of Facebook from Anthony Zamora. Thank you, Anthony. Sorry if I shouldn't have said your name, but congratulations. Thank you and congratulations for signing up and starting your journey with the Robinhood app. But I really appreciate you. It's all random. It's not any, pick. You have to get 10 to get a huge share or nothing. It's just random. So I got $179, and that really is what boosted my confidence and gave me a lot more motivation to keep going and getting free shares. And then after that, I just kept getting more. Got a free share of Snap. And I totaled this up. I'm at $300 in free shares, and then $600 in gains with the $300 in free shares. If you I'll put a link on the below, or I'll put an eye up at the top, and I'll show you my week 1 video and how I made $28 off of 6 free shares. And that's how I started my journey. I didn't put a single dollar into my account for the first, like, man, I want to say like 3 or 4 months. I didn't put a single dollar. And so I was able to grow my account. So when people say, oh, you can't grow your account unless you put money into it, that's wrong. You can grow your account. It's simple methods, locking in profits, buying low, selling high, and doing it multiple times throughout the month. I don't like that buy and hold strategy like Warren Buffett. The only reason why he's doing it is because he is Warren Buffett. And he bought those stocks when they're like a penny on the dollar in like the freaking 20s and 30s. So of course he's going to be a wealthy man. And of course he's getting all these dividends and gains and everything because he put like $1 in and now he makes like 100,000 off that $1. You know what I mean? It's like statistics like that. That won't never happen to us unless we buy now and hold on to these companies 50, 100 years from now. And then what? Nothing. You're just old. So that's not the best way to do it. My buy low, sell high strategy outperforms the buy and hold strategy by far. There's people that are only making 5 to 10% a year in the stock market. The S&P 500 and the Dow are barely about 8% to 7% returns every year for the last 50, 100 years. That's wrong. Day trading, that could fuck your account up bad. That could make you to where you just lose 50% of your account because of one single bad trade. But if you do what I'm doing, the buy low, sell high strategy, then you will understand that you don't have to day trade. You don't have to hold long. You can swing trade in short intervals. I buy a stock on Monday, cheap, because that's low, and the RSI indicators are oversold, and everything lines up, volume is good. Then I will buy, and then 3 days later, a week later, maybe even the next day, it goes up 5%. For the week, it might even go up 10%. Boom, I sell, I lock in profits, and then I wait for it to go down again. Or I'm already looking at another stock that I'm setting up on to get involved with. Now, with that said, that's how I was able to get from $0 to $1,000. You know, I started locking in a few cents a day, a couple dollars a day. Now I'm doing $30 a day. You know, I've yet to have a $50 day, but I will. And when that happens, I will have proved to myself that I can make $50 through the Robinhood app online. And this isn't the only thing I do for investing either. So stay tuned for all my other videos. I know this one was a little bit long, but I'm super excited that I got to $1,000. We're going to keep going. I'm going to help people grow their Robinhood accounts, and we are just going to continue this amazing journey, guys. We're going to get to 10,000. I'm hoping in a year and a half, 18 months, but if that happens sooner, great. That's awesome. All it takes is 30 minutes a day, guys. That's all I've been doing. 30 minutes a day. Probably just a hair longer than this video you're watching. Instead of watching this video, you should stop right now. You should go over to your Robinhood account and you should start researching stocks. Get those stocks for a cheap discount. Sell them when they're premium. That is the strategy, guys. And I'll talk more about that later. I'll also put an eye up in the link for a video that I already have on my buy low, sell high strategy. And remember, if you like this video, please smash the like button and share with your family and friends, because this is the ultimate challenge, and I am challenging all you to get your accounts to $1,000. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Happy Easter, happy April Fool's Day, Good Friday, all that stuff, Passover, and you guys have an amazing trading week next week, and we will see you soon.